Oh, that's cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Seth with SethPerler.com and Debbie Reber from the Tilt Podcast here. You can say hello louder.
Hi!
We're here in Portland, Oregon. We are both at the World Domination Summit, which is a fantastic conference of creative...
Game changer, world changers, paradigm shifters, awesome people.
And we fortunately get to meet for the first time ever because we've known each other online and we've done a lot of podcasts and stuff together, and it's awesome to meet Debbie.
It's been awesome.
So I had a question for Debbie that I wanted to post for the blog today. And Debbie has had the opportunity to interview so many people about differently wired kids, and I think it's really amazing when somebody gets to have so much experience in sort of exploring one question. So my question to Debbie is, what is one of the most important things you could ever tell parents of differently wired kids to help them help their kids and support their kids? What do they need to know? What have you learned from all these people?
Oh my gosh! Again, totally overwhelming question. Because I
Speak
thought I
super
had,
loud, though,
I thought I
because
had an answer. Now, okay. So here's what I would say.
We're in no hurry.
There is like a common thread through the conversations I have, at least something that sticks with me, and it always comes back to respecting who that child is, respecting their timeline, respecting them as them being exactly who they're supposed to be in this world, respecting them as an autonomous being, and that our goal is to guide them and help them become their best selves. It's not to have them behave better. It's not to, I mean, that would be great, but it's not about controlling their journey or having this look the way we want it to look. It's about respecting who they are, accepting who they are. And I think, but that word respect is the thing for me that has been a guiding principle. And all of the people that I interview, you know, whatever the tips are, it really does come down to that word. And I think it's such an important value, and it can really shift everything in our relationship with our child when we approach the relationship through that lens.